In this lesson, we're going to learn about linear and quadratic systems. Our learning target is that we can identify solutions to systems involving a linear function and a nonlinear function using a calculator. So quadratics, we haven't really talked about that too much yet, but a quadratic is just any function with 2 as the highest exponent. And quadratics make this U shape, and we call that a parabola. So we can kind of visualize if a line's going through this, we may end up with more than one solution. So like we talked about, linear and quadratic systems will have one linear function and one quadratic function. Could be a quadratic, could be a circle, kind of just depends. But anyway, we're going to have one line and one parabola, or one U-shaped graph. And again, just like when we talked about linear functions, solutions are where they intersect. But in this case, we may have more than one solution. We've got a couple different types of solutions that we can have. We could have one solution, and that would look something like this, where we can see that the line and the quadratic are only intersecting at one point. We could have two solutions where the line's going through the quadratic in two separate places. So we'd have two solutions here. And no solutions, if you can guess, is just the quadratic and the line, they never intersect. So those are our three options. So we're going to look at an example here, and we want to see where they intersect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and plug it into Desmos, and that's going to help us find our solutions. So I'm going to type in exactly what I have. And here I have y plus 3x is equal to 0. And so that gives me my line. And then I'm going to type in y minus 6 is equal to negative 3x squared. And that gives me my quadratic. And so now Desmos will even help us out a little bit, and they give us these dots here that are kind of clues. And so we know that solutions are wherever the line and the quadratic meet. So I can click on this dot here, and I see my first solution is going to be at negative 1, 3. And if I come down here, I can click on my second solution is at 2, negative 6. So we can write this in our box. They're at negative 1, 3 and 2, negative 6, because that's where the line and the quadratic intersect on the graph. And that's really all there is to this lesson. So to summarize, how do we identify solutions to a linear and quadratic system? Same way we do with our linear systems. Just anywhere we see the line and the quadratic meeting, that's our solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.